the infamous NK line. Northampton Kalbarri line. It's a very long rural spur. It starts at Northampton and basically heads north all the way to Kalbarri sub. Goes through a lot of rural properties. Quite a large chunk of it goes through National Park. Very open to the elements, and it's given us a lot of trouble in the past.
The power reliability's been really unbearable. They're on a regular basis, not all the time, but say once a month-ish, and it's usually when we're busy and the town's packed.
Well, a year down the track, I'm just hoping that we don't have the power outages, that we don't have the prolonged outages. When it's 35 to 40 degrees and you have a 12-hour power outage, it is bad.
Part of trying to make the network better in Kalbarri was first of all to introduce the microgrid, and that currently involves a wind farm and mums and dads' solar panels on their roofs, as well as the supply from Geraldton. What we've done to increase the reliability of that is to introduce what's called a BESS, which is a battery energy storage solution, and that will store energy and use it whenever there's an outage on the network. The way the BESS is designed to work is that in the event of a network outage, which is in grid mode, the unit will move across into what's called island mode, where it's disconnected from the network, and the microgrid is supplying Kalbarri Township. The beauty of this particular BESS solution and the complexity around the management system of it is that it also detects when the network comes back online, and it will then disconnect from the battery and then reconnect to the grid.
So since it's been up and running and been commissioned, the microgrid saved us a couple of times from power outages, namely just last weekend, 40 plus degrees, and we were able to have the battery going, which everyone loves. It's fantastic. So yeah, we're very happy with that.
It's good to see. We've had, like I said, I've been here 22 years, and you know, I remember stories back when I started how bad that line was. So it's nice to actually now to have something on that network which is going to help Kalbarri just stay on that a little bit longer.